Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 817977. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the NZXT Phantom 820. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Iron Tundra liquid cooling unit with UV red tubing and UV red coolant, cooling an AMD FX-9370 processor along with an Nvidia Geforce GTX Titan X graphics card. For RAM, you selected 32GB of Kingston HyperX 1600 MHz. That is being cooled by a black Kingston HyperX memory cooler. Below your graphics card is your 1300 megabits per second network adapter and your ASUS Zoner Essence STX 7.1 sound card. All your components have been installed on an ASUS Crosshair 5 Formula Z motherboard. And for wire management, you selected individually sleeved red cables. For lighting in the system, you selected an NZXT Hue color changing LED strip. Powering your system is a Corsair AX1200i, and for storage, you selected a Samsung 850 Pro Series 512GB SSD, along with a secondary 4TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Taking a look at the front of your computer, starting from the top, you have your LED mode button, your SD card reader, your hue changer, and your I/O LED button. Below that we have the control panel for your NZXT Hue lighting system, your Blu-ray reader, and the reservoir for your liquid cooling unit. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have two USB 2.0 ports, PS2, optical out, two USB 3.0 ports, Republic of Gamers Connect, and a clear CMOS button, four USB 2.0 ports, two eSATA, two more USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. Below that we have the ports for your graphics card. You have three display, HDMI and DVI, the antennas for your network adapter, and the ports for your sound card. Now when plugging in your sound devices, please do not use any of the ports on your motherboard above. You want to use the ports on your sound card below. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, your 512GB SSD along with your secondary 4TB hard drive. In System Properties, Windows 8.1 Pro is your operating system. For your processor, you have the AMD FX-9370 and 32GB of RAM. And in Device Manager, your Nvidia Geforce GTX Titan X graphics card, your 1300 megabits per second network adapter, and your ASUS Zoner Essence STX 7.1 sound card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.